Ban penklan cok ya keseng ha kasisnem syaban mi madan ke election MLA ha kesnem arhajar arpulai. Ginong yalam keseng United Democratic Party UDP riboy kila penlong ya kejing kendo alang ke benengkong hadin ke election MLA kabeladep ha kesnem arhajar kat pra. Bad ya kene kejing alang la penlong ha yang sa jong presiden ke UDP riboy hayo maulong. Lawan ban ai mensiam ikinong yalam ke UDP riboy di ginong yalam rang ba ki bakentup ya uba kermen cela bari menteri sarkar jela u Dr Jamino Mautho u General Secretary keseng uba don bok kemdet presiden ke UDP riboy bad uba don kupar sumer working president bad kibai-kibai. Lengba kini kejengelang kinong yalam ke UDP kiliatai halor kimat rekam jong keseng bad kumno banang wanra ke jengejan bad barok kinong trei bad kinong kersan jong keseng haswa banjam syakawai pat ki election syaki yang dorbar tauan kejela. Habakran bad uba don bok kemdet bad uba don kupar sumer kila penpau bakum kinong yalam keseng UDP kidan ne ketong banang penklan cusyo ikur kom trekam jong keseng habro santeli ki constituency hakane district haswa ban mi madan hak election MLA arhajar arpulai. Klethuru bawatla kene kade kejingelang ke benengkong jong keseng hak district riboy hadian bal syakta agajing pang COVID-19. Henry lengba kene kejinge kendo olang ke bah kene kesngi layo benetai sani kumno banura kejinge jan bat penrehem me kemensim trekam jong baro kidong yalam jong keseng kentup ru ikipat ba ke baju kersan ya keseng mentari ki posnem. Hagani kejingelang na kaliang UDP riboy kala pedang buram ru yaki katto kani kidong yalam na jirang constituency bela yalam do ba bad hok nong mali bad ru yu ba PCM USP bela song that nakakam bad bajet pat ban sakri pat ba lengba kerensan san perthai
to strengthen the party, and we have decided that all the circle, we mean constituencies, all the 5 constituencies will to get new members elected so that we can move ahead for party the preparation of the election. So in fact today is a very good day for us that group from Bad Hawk Namde and his followers joining the party. This is a very positive sign of the party. Despite in fact we didn't have any elected representative in the assemblies and this council, but still people are joining with us. This is a good sign for the party. So we expect the other MLAs who belong from the other parties from the Riboy district, we are requested them to join with us for the good cause of the Riboy district and for the interest of the state as a whole.